Hey guys, so I'm just vlogging from my new house, trying to set up my vanity here, so I figured I would bring you along. So this is what the first drawer looks like. This is everything that I use every single day on my face. It's just convenient, you know, while I'm sitting here doing my makeup, and I can just open the first drawer and all my everyday makeup is here, and then I keep my face sprays slash setting sprays here. We got some Urban Decay, Lush, Smashbox, Milani, and MAC Fix Plus is down there as well. Then I have the Maybelline loose powder. This is the Coty Airspun. I have MAC Peaches, Burt's Bees Toasted Cinnamon, ColourPop bronzer, Physician Formula bronzer, Mary Luminizer, Catrice matte powder, and then I have Shape Tape, my Lancome foundation, my Anastasia what are they called? Brow definer. I have matte nylon, my primer Benefit, Sonia Kashuk, Kat Von D, my duo for all of my lashes. So yeah, this is my everyday. This is the top drawer. Also, in this drawer, there's a little like cup that I put like bobby pins and hair ties, but at the moment, I don't know where that is because this is an overview of the room. This is what it looks like right now. So yeah, gonna try to find some more stuff and keep filling up these drawers. Ooh, so I just found this tote bag that is filled with more makeup. And more makeup at the bottom. Dump this sucker out. Okay, so this is all the foundations and primers, which go in the second drawer, and then right here in this bag is highlighters and eyeshadows and mascara and eyeliners. And then this is just some lippies and beauty blenders and more lashes apparently and more butter bronzer. So all of this, well, not this. This will go into the second drawer, which I have 3 of the little Target organizers, and then these 2 long organizers that I just got at Walmart. They were like 50 cents each. They're like to hold pencils. So I thought that would be good for like, you know, mascara and eyeliner and stuff. So super inexpensive, but I like having the organizers so everything's not just like thrown in here and looking crazy. Okay, so in this second drawer here, I have primers and foundation slash concealers. I'm not sure if there's any concealers in here, but so I have some Tatcha, some Wet n Wild, Soap and Glory, Lush, Smashbox, Becca, Makeup Forever, MAC, Smashbox, Urban Decay, what is this? Urban Decay. A good variety here of literally way high-end and drugstore. So, and then I got my foundations here. I have Maybelline, L'Oreal, what is this? Urban Decay, Wet n Wild, NYX, more Maybelline, LA Girl, Anastasia, and then I have the LA Girl and the NYX are these white foundations because it's really hard for me to find a foundation shade that matches my skin because I'm super fair. So I usually have to mix white foundations in with my foundations, except this Lancome one, Lancome, however you say it. This is actually a pretty good match. I don't have to mix this one, so. Hey guys, so To you, it's only been like a half a second, but for me, it's been about 12 hours. I had to stop the vlog a little bit early last night. It was like midnight, and I just got back from New Jersey. I'm now in Virginia. Like 3 hours prior to that, it's like a 6.5 hour drive, so I was exhausted. So I wanted to end it and go to bed because I was exhausted. So I figured today I would get myself together. I put a little bit of makeup on. I know the lighting's not that great. So I got myself semi together to finish up this makeup storage / putting everything away. So yeah, let's finish. Okay, so here's an overview of the Vanity. I have this mirror right here. Oh, I need to get my nails done. I have this mirror right here that I got at Target, I believe. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it was Target. I don't have it like hung up or anything. I literally just have it like laying on the tabletop and then up against the wall. So I can like easily move it, adjust it if I'm like doing my hair or, you know. And then I have my magnified mirror right there. And then I have a mug of, these are drugstore brushes. And then I have this beauty blender that I used today. And then I have this little Eco Tools like stand that I leave right here and just put whatever beauty blender I use that day there to dry. And then over here I have more brushes. These are all Morphe face brushes. And then I have this little mason jar with my name on it with all eye brushes. And these are all Morphe and MAC brushes. And then I have this little like jar glass stand thing full of beauty sponges. We have Morphe, Eco Tools, and then the rest are Beauty Blender. And then this one, I don't think I said, is the Sonia Kashuk one. It is like literally huge and I love it. This bottom part right here covers like your entire face. It makes it so quick and so easy to do your face makeup. It's like unreal. And then over here, I have this lipstick stand. So I have ColourPop, MAC, and Maybelline. I got this little lipstick stand from the Container Store. I'll try to find it and I guess like put the link in the description box. And then back here I just have a couple pictures of me and my husband, the Polaroids from our wedding, and then the little photo booth one is from one of his Christmas parties from work. And then we went through the first 2 drawers yesterday. These are all complete. I have highlighters and blushes in here. These are all eyeshadows, liquid and powder. And then these are eyeliners and mascaras. And then just like random crap is in here. Like this NYX glitter, like I've used it probably once for like Halloween. And then I have nail clippers. I have this little pencil sharpener in here. So this is kind of miscellaneous as well. So then you go down to the third, and then this is all of my palettes / lippies / eyelashes. So I keep all my lashes back behind this little basket thing right here. This basket, again, is from Target. It was like 98 cents or whatever, $1. And I keep all lippies in here. I have Maybelline, ColourPop, Lorac, what is this, MAC, Jeffree Star, Tarte, more ColourPop, L'Oreal, more Tarte back there, more ColourPop, NYX, MAC, Maybelline, so you get the picture. And then all of my palettes. These are face palettes over here. I have Too Faced, Sleek Makeup, Maybelline, Becca, and Jaclyn Hill. This is the Tarte face palette down there. And then these are all eyeshadows right here. So I have ColourPop, Morphe, Violet Voss, and then these are two Morphe palettes right here. It's the 35O and the 35, I want to say G, the gold one, or 35R for rose gold. I don't remember. Then I have Laura Lee, Modern Renaissance, and then the Sweet Peach eyeshadow, and then the chocolate bar. And then I have this little Maybelline City Mini palette, a little Tarte mini palette. This is the ColourPop and I Love Sarai, Karen's little quad eyeshadow palette. And then I have the Benefit Cheekathon palette down there that has like Hoola bronzer and all the blushes and whatever, Dandelion and Dallas and all that stuff. And then I keep this Jaclyn Hill palette literally just on top right here because next to the Dream Street palette from Kathleen Lights, this is my most used palette. It's disgusting. It really needs to be cleaned. But I reach for it so often that I didn't want to put it down with the rest of the Morphe ones just because it's, you know, convenient to grab. That's the third drawer. And then what is that? It needs to be cleaned. The fourth drawer is kind of messy / miscellaneous, but I don't really care about these drawers. Well, I mean, I do, but so this drawer, I keep my hairbrush, which has a lot of freaking hair in it. I keep my everyday lotions. I have this one from Bath and Body Works, and then just cocoa butter that I love to put all over my skin after I'm done showering. And then I have the bigger one of the Target baskets here. Again, super inexpensive. I think the bigger one was probably like $2 or $3, whereas like the little ones were like whatever, $1. So in here I keep my deodorant and my moisturizer. And then I have just like some random stuff in here. I have the Beauty Blender cleaner. This is the Real Techniques mat to like wash your brushes. I have some Sephora brush cleaner, some tape if I want to do like, you know, like a super sharp line if I'm doing eyeshadow or whatever. I have some Ulta brush cleaner. What else? I have the Clinique Take the Day Off Balm. I have this Garnier, I literally just got this, I don't even know what it's called, Soothing Facial Mist with Rose Water. I saw Makeup by Shayla talk about this, so I really wanted to pick it up and try it. I have nail polish remover, which I never even use because I always am getting my nails professionally done. So I don't even know why that's in there, but you never know. Then I have this nail file, and then there's just a bunch of like face masks down there. And then back here I have all of my makeup wipes. Obviously, as you can tell, this is the one I use, the Simple Micellar Sensitive Skin, because I have pretty sensitive skin. And then I have the Garnier Micellar water, the actual water that I like to use if I have like waterproof mascara on or whatever. This really helps take it off. And then I just have some Ulta Common Rounds. And then I have the Real Techniques. What is this? The brush cleaner that goes on top of this to clean your brushes with. And I keep that in a bag because it sometimes leaks. So that's the fourth drawer. And then the fifth and final drawer is just hair crap. I have mousse, hairspray, detangler, my curling wand, my straightener, bobby pins, blow dryer. There's another curling wand down there. So yeah, that is pretty much it. I will give you one more overview of of the desk.
So that is my makeup collection. I hope whoever's watching this enjoy. Again, thank you so much, and I'll see you soon.